Let's 10x your web presence today. Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. I'm Frank Blanchard AIFD, and if you are a creative entrepreneur, and especially if you are a florist or a floralpreneur with any kind of a business within the flower industry, making sure your web presence is spot on is really key to making sure that your business is going to be successful. Especially now in 2020, as we move forward, we're in a really weird economic climate right now. There's a lot of uneasiness amongst consumers, and part of that, with all of that unease, people are staying home. People aren't going places, they aren't going to stores, they are doing it online. So if your business is not online right now and you're not dialed in on all of your social media streams as well as your website, it's going to be really hard to compete. So let's talk a little bit about how you can really work to better your overall web presence and also have a better understanding of how your web presence works and what you're wanting it to actually do. So, for starters, we all know nowadays that we really need to have a website in order to do business. And especially if we do any kind of business online when it comes to e-commerce. And there's where I'm really talking to florists and floral designers and anybody with any kind of a flower related business especially. Your website is one of the keys to getting your message out to your potential customers and clientele, and also being able to actually sell whatever it is you're creating online. So, on the one hand, you've got your website. You've got to have that, and it's got to be dialed in so that it works correctly. Then, in addition to that, what rounds out your overall web presence is all of your social media streams for your business. So this includes your business Facebook page, your business Instagram feed, your business Twitter account, your business Pinterest account, and possibly TikTok if you're there. For a lot of floral industry professionals, TikTok at this point is still really new, so not many people are over there yet. But in the future, be thinking ahead for that. But those others, Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, and Twitter, and potentially YouTube, and also definitely your Google local listing. All of those combined with your website is what creates your overall web presence. So you do a lot of work on your website on the one hand to really offer not only what you like to make, but also what you know your customers and clientele like to purchase. And if you're a studio designer and you don't do daily deliveries, not all of this applies, but you still need to have a website that is really dialed in and set up correctly and has all of its SEO and keyword work working. So, all of your social streams combined with your website, creating that web presence is ultimately how you are driving traffic to you. So usually when we're talking your social streams and anywhere else that you have a listing online, specifically all of those social streams, we're using those platforms to help drive traffic to our websites. And with that, you're giving your customers or clientele some kind of a call to action. And whether it's you're wanting them to give you a call to order something, or maybe send you an email, or definitely to check out your website, especially if you are promoting something new that is on your website that wasn't there before. Getting the word out and sharing your message to the world through your social streams is how we drive traffic to your website. So we do a lot of work on our websites to get people there. We do a lot of SEO work on our websites. SEO stands for search engine optimization. And depending on the industry and the kind of business you have, it's a little bit different. And especially for florists and flower related businesses, it really helps if you have somebody taking care of the SEO for your business who knows the industry and knows the holidays, like we have to keep in mind and be mindful of, and also what kinds of flowers are in season at what times of year. All of that is very specific and will directly kind of dictate how you're going to create and get the SEO for your website to work. Installing all of those keywords into your website to improve your SEO. Once that's done, using all of your social platforms to then drive traffic to that information and utilize the same information, that's how you get business. So you definitely have to be able to work all of them together. You can't just work on a website. And you can sort of get away with just using social media, but ultimately at some point you're going to have a website. But really, for you to have maximum results and to see the maximum growth with your business, you really have to have all of it to work together. If it doesn't work together, it's really going to make things complicated. So when you are creating your overall web presence, you got your website, all of your social streams. Number one, you've got to make sure that your Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, Pinterest are all commercial business Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest pages. You cannot use a personal account for a business and connect it to your website because it's specifically just a personal website. And you also can't use a personal timeline and social stream to really advertise and promote your business too much. You also can't track where your business is coming from. And that's why it's really important to make sure that all of your social streams you have set up correctly as a business or brand account of some sort. Depending on the platform, there are different ways to do the different ones. So you have to keep that in mind. But once you do have those commercial business pages and live streams set up correctly, those are what you can then link to your website. Once that's done, that's when you can really look at the analytics of your website and the insights of your different social streams to be able to really track where your business is coming from and what kinds of business you are getting the most of. so that you can really fine tune what you're doing, what you're producing. And if there is something that you create that you sell more of than anything else, it gives you the opportunity to not only know that, but to really double down on that and drive that message home for that particular service or product. And that way you can grow that business and potentially sell more of that. So that's how your social streams really have to connect with your website. And all of it together is what creates your web presence. And it's all got to be dialed in for you to really see and achieve maximum results for your business. If you would like more information regarding how to improve your overall web presence, definitely make sure to subscribe to my channel here, because I'm gonna do a lot more videos specifically on how to set up a Facebook business page, how to set up a business Instagram page, specifically for florists, and also how to set up your Google local listing for your business so that you get maximum results from that as well. So definitely subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and you can also follow me on my business Facebook page. You can just type in my name and I'll come up. You'll see it. The logo and everything's all the same. And I do quite a few live stream videos there for you on the same topic. And both places I'll also be doing a lot of design inspiration as well. So if you're ready to 10x your business, let's get started. I look forward to seeing you again soon. And this was the last video in the 5-video series going over the top 5 things that you need for your business. This last one was understanding your overall web presence. I talked about your business name, doing a business plan, branding for your business, and also marketing. So there will be a lot more coming your way. I look forward to seeing you soon. And until next time, be well, everybody, and have a great day. Bye for now.